Morning. I look like a hot mess right now because obviously I just woke up. What do you expect, right? I'm not gonna pretend I look perfect when I get up out of bed because I don't. And my face is really bad right now. I've been having such a bad breakout, hormones and shiz. What's good, hormones? What's good? Anyways, today is a great day. I'm excited because it's my friend's birthday. Happy birthday. You know who you are. Um, and we're going to try some VR stuff, virtual reality. So I can't wait because I've never tried it before and I'm just so excited to play a game with my friends and we're all in the game kind of thing, with the VR headset on. Oh, I don't know, I'm just so excited. Hopefully turns out good. And yeah, I don't know what else I'll do after that, but I'll try to vlog during the day. So I think it's a bit early still for me to be getting ready. I mean, it's only 20 past, well, almost 20 past, so 20 past 9, sorry, I wasn't even telling you what time it is. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep for a few more minutes and then you all can get ready with me. Hopefully this vlog won't be too long because I know people hate long videos. So yeah, I'll try my best anyways. See you in a bit. Hey, so I've done my brows already and I'm moisturized and all that shit. For my brows, I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown, just this one here, and I used the Anastasia Pro Pencil base 2 just to carve out my brows, and I also set my brows with the clear brow gel. For primer, I'm going to use my favorite Smashbox Photo Finish primer in light. I'm just going to put a little blob and spread that evenly across my face. For foundation, I'm going to use the Lancome Pink. Pink Idol. I don't ultra wear 24-hour wear and comfort retouch free SPF 15, just a little sample. So we'll try it out. So right off the bat, this looks a bit too light for me, and it smells. I don't know how I feel about this now. So pale. I have to do a lot of bronzing and contouring, so I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in Mocha, and we're going to add some color back to our face, girl. I'm just going to set my face really lightly with the MAC Studio Fix Plus in the shade NC35. Just literally dust that all over my face. Don't forget to dust it on top of your contour too, so your bronzer and all will sit nicely on top of it later, and it won't stick to it like glue, because then you won't be able to blend it. My bronzer, I'm just going to go in with my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. If I can open it, it's just this one here. I'm going to use the same powder brush because it's bronzer. You don't want to put it in a specific place. You just kind of warming up your face. blush, I'm just gonna add the Wet n Wild color Icon in Mellow Wine using the same brush. You want to add a little at a time with these blushes because the Wet n Wild blushes are actually so pigmented, so you just gotta be careful. And for highlight, I'm using my OG, the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. I'm just going to use this little highlighter brush. This is why it's the OG. Can you see that? I'm going to blend that in a second, don't worry. Then I'm just going to spritz my face with the MAC Fix Blush in Lavender. So obviously I'm just going to curl my lashes and go in with my favorite, the Benefit Roller Lash. I got the travel size. Just going to curl my lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off the lips with my Huda Beauty Lip and Matte and Trendsetter. Okay, so that's makeup look done. Sorry, I need to leave now because it's so late. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'll check in with you when I'm outside. Okay, I'm literally fast walking at this stage because I'm actually late. So, guys, if you ever watch this video, I'm sorry for being late. They're gonna give out to me because then when they see this video, they know why I'm late.
So you turn right and go one more. Keep going, and on the bottom you hit next. Yeah, shoot that. And game on the left. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, shoot that and hit launch. So look good.
So I just got home. Wow, what an experience. It felt quite short, but really we were there for about an hour. So the place is in Smithfield, if anyone's living around that area, or like, you know, if you know where it is. I forgot what the name of the place is called, but it's in one of the earlier footages anyway, so you'll see it there. And basically it was €20 per person. It sounds very expensive, but it's worth it anyways. You get a full hour of interacting with the VR, so it was really cool. We played 3 different games. I didn't get to vlog that either because obviously I was playing, so, and I don't have anyone who wasn't playing to film, you know? So we were all playing together, we were playing multiplayer games. So, yeah. And yeah, we played 3 different games. The first one was, I've forgotten what they're all called now, but the first one, you kind of like picked up these balls, which were your weapon, and you shoot them at your opponents kind of thing, which was fun. I sucked at it though, because like I've never used a VR before, and like I just suck at those kind of games. I'm more into platform games, you know what I mean? So yeah, that was an experience for me. And then the second game was a shooting game, but like that one really messed with my like balance and everything, because it was you're kind of floating, you're kind of flying, so you had to shoot these guns to fly, and then you can like switch your gun into like a handgun or whatever, or a sniper gun, and like shoot your opponents again, like your friends that you're playing with. But it's the whole thing of like flying around. It just made me feel really weird, like as if what's that, as if like, you know that feeling you get when you're like in a high altitude kind of thing, or when you're in a plane, like you feel like you're not in your body kind of thing, if you get me. But yeah, that's how it felt. Like I lost balance a couple of times. I think I almost fell. So, and the third game was really good. I'm just kind of sad we didn't get to spend enough time on it, because I think we only spent like the last 15 minutes or so on it, and we didn't really get used to it. But it was a zombie game. Now, I was just like, guys, are we actually gonna do this? But it wasn't actually that scary. It was more fun, because like you weren't on your own, you were with your friends, and you had to like shoot the zombies obviously. But like midway, my VR thingy kind of just stopped, because like I think we were out of time. So that was the only sad part, because then when I actually got the hang of it, that's when it was all over. So yeah, that was my overall experience. I thought it was really fun. If I had the money, I would go out and buy a HTC Vive right now. But that thing costs like between 500 to 600 euro, and buying my Nintendo Switch was expensive enough for me. I'm not going over to that price point for a console. I'd probably only spend that much money if it was a laptop or a camera or something. But anyway, I think that's it for today. If you made it this far, thanks for watching me talk and put makeup on and, you know, hang out with my friends for like an hour, because they all had places to go after. But yeah, let me know if I should do more vlogs like these again. I don't know, I think they're kind of fun, even though it's just me talking in front of a camera. I just need to, like I said at the start, I need more confidence in filming outside, because I don't know why I get so self-conscious talking in front of a camera outside in public, even though everyone does it, you know what I mean? But anyways, that's for another day. Thanks so much for watching. If you're still here listening to me ramble, I hope you liked this video. So if you did, just, you know, hit the like button down there and subscribe as well for more videos, because I will literally be filming another one straight after this. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video.